This is a question about investigating waves using a ripple tank. So students can investigate the properties of waves using a ripple tank. So if they're asking you to describe something, remember you need to be saying a reasonable amount. And because you're describing a practical, you're probably going to need to say at least 6 things. A method a student could use to calculate wave speed using the equipment above. So in the question we go and we've showed you the ripple tank. It shows you it's got a motor, a paddle. You can see that it's got the waves. And remember that you can go and measure the physical wavelengths using a ruler. So the first thing that I talk about is set up a ripple tank, making sure that there's about 5 centimeters of depth of water, because you need the water because that's where the ripples are going to be going through. You then go and adjust the height of the wooden rod or the paddle so it goes and touches the surface of the water. You can then go switch on a lamp and switch on the motor, and you should be able to clearly observe the waves that are being generated. You can then go with a ruler and measure the number and the length of each wave. Sometimes you can go and get them all percent. It'll be easier if you go take a photograph of it because then it won't be moving. You can then count the number of waves passing at one point in a 10-second frequency. Then finally you can go and use that to go and use this equation to calculate the wave speed. Right, so that's just a few key things to think about when answering this type of question.